Force 13's Australia and Oceania channel with another look at what's making the local weather scene. Here's the latest from the Bureau of Meteorology via their tropical cyclone outlook for the western region, updated usual time around 1400 hours Monday. A tropical low was located near 9.7 degrees south, 94.6 degrees east midday Monday, which is about 370 kilometres northwest of the Cocos Keeling Islands. It's forecast to slowly move or drift south over the next few days, and at this point in time the system has a low risk of developing in the short term, increasing to moderate on Thursday when there is a chance it is just west of the Cocos Keeling Islands. The proximity of the trough and tropical low is likely to see fresh to strong winds, squally showers, including thunderstorms, with moderate to heavy falls continuing at the Cocos Keeling Islands. And for today and Wednesday, percentages remain at low, but from Thursday it increases to moderate. Another tropical low is currently a long way northwest of the Cocos Keeling Islands near the 4 south, 81 east. It's forecast to move to the southeast and could possibly move into the region as early as Thursday. It is likely to develop into a tropical cyclone later in the week, but there is a moderate risk of it moving into the region as a tropical cyclone from Friday. It is forecast to pass far enough to the southwest of the Cocos Keeling Islands on Friday or over the weekend that a direct impact is not likely. The proximity of this system associated trough could see showers and thunderstorms with moderate to heavy falls continuing at the Cocos Islands for the remainder of the week. There is a slight chance that the system tracks further east, and if that happens then there could be a period of gales on Wednesday or Saturday. And for today and Wednesday, percentages remain very low, and on Thursday they increase to low. Now we have a look at the NOAA latest. Joint Typhoon Warning Centre has issued a tropical cyclone formation alert for the tropical low near Madagascar. However, Invest 90S is the one that we have on the screen, and the Joint Typhoon Warning Centre has it about 509 nautical miles east-northeast of Diego Garcia. A ASCAT pass reveals an area of 25 to 30 knot winds to the northeast, animated enhanced infrared satellite imagery, and an 89 gigahertz microwave image depicts the consolidating low-level circulation with convection around the centre. Upper-level environmental analysis shows low vertical wind shear 5 to 10 knots, and a point source aloft is enhancing outflow. Sea surface temperatures 28 to 29 Celsius. However, it could be up around 31 Celsius, and the sea surface temperatures will help further development. Global models indicate southeastward initial motion over the next 36 to 48 hours with gradual intensification of tropical cyclone strength with varying frames and intensity or time frames. It is possible 90S will interact with and absorb a circulation to the southeast before consolidating, and that could be Invest 92S. Maximum sustained surface winds estimated at 20 to 25 knots. Minimum sea level pressure is estimated to be around 1004 millibars, and the potential for the development of a significant tropical cyclone within the next 24 hours remains medium. Joint Typhoon Warning Centers, global position, I have 90S for medium percentages for development, tropical cyclone formation probability guide. Meteorology is also keeping an eye on a weak low to the eastern New Caledonia, around 1004 millibars. Now we have a look at some tracks on Invest 90, which should now be a tropical low. And the Bureau of Meteorology will update their 3-day outlook around 1400 hours Australian Western Standard Time. And here's a intensity. We could have a category 2 system, and cat 1 is on the other scale, which is the Sanford-Simpson hurricane scale. HWRF, wind maximum knots. And 90S located 5.5 degrees south, 81.1 degrees east, maximum winds 25 knots, central pressure around 1003 millibars. Upper level divergence, not as strong as what it was yesterday. It's still around the 30 knots. Wind shear, the red's unfavourable, yellow neutral, and green is favourable. "24-hour shear tendency. (850 millibar vorticity) and 90S is where you see the red and pinkish right. The upper level divergence for the eastern region, including the southwest Pacific. The wind shear, 24-hour shear tendency, and the 850 millibar vorticity. Now here's a couple of tracks on the 92S. And the pressure scale is on the right hand side of the screen. And a couple of tracks on the Invest. And it's located 8.4 degrees south, 92.9 degrees east. Winds at this point in time 15 knots. Minimum central pressure 1005 millibars. The GFS precipitation model information at the bottom of the screen. And finally, in this update, a look at the NOAA floaters on Invest 92S. We will continue to bring the latest information, read the developing tropical scene, and not leaving out the Bureau Meteorology's total forecast of rain and its 12-hourly rainfall. Not much going on here across Australia, although the Bureau of Meteorology did have a thunderstorm warning up to about midnight last night.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, our YouTube page youtube.com/Force13, on Facebook under the same name Force13, and our Twitter handle, it's @Force13 if you wish to get in touch. You can also add Force13 on Skype and my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.